Oh my goodness. Still in bamboo huts.
Bamboo hut, yeah.
It was just horrific. They started sending us people who had just escaped from Tibet on foot via Ladakh.
And these Tibetans were coming in with their thick winter clothes, a lot of them with sores and tropical diseases.
Being sent thousands of miles to the jungles of South India.
You know, some are already sick in the train.
Each station they have to take out a dead body from the train and then funeral and then catch another train to come over here. So they went through a lot.
Monsoon rains for 3 months and mud up to your knees, poisonous snakes, and rats would invade our huts and tents. And they didn't want to have a house because they're going back to Tibet, and they didn't want to go to the settlements because they're going back to Tibet. I mean, that went on for years.
Trying to live in a forest, it was scary. We know how to handle Tibetans, but 8 agencies helped a lot. But I was young enough and able to bear that.
My dad was in a difficult position, certainly, but he was also from a privileged background. He could have gone off and had a much easier life. And certainly my mom could have. And she didn't think that they couldn't live without her. She felt like maybe she couldn't live without them.
Oh, that's true. Long story, long story. I'm just talking, I'm just crying right now. Both kids were up. They have to know that I don't have no chance, so, you know, it's nothing. Nothing.
We grew up with all the pictures from those early days, and you just see, you know, young children who were skin and bones or didn't make it.
Look how cute he was. We lost a lot of people.
He came to all the Tibetan settlements every year. The first time he came, when he came, he didn't have a proper house, had a tent for him. And he stayed in that tent for 2, 3 days, 4 days. He liked it. He said, I enjoyed it.
I remember I visited a number of times. This is when they were farming with buffaloes. You see, we red color. You see, different dress. So it's a buffalo, some buffalo. You see, looking like that.
He likes to walk, go all over the place, go poke into everybody's kitchen or what they're cooking. He just go there and sometimes say, okay, I want to have a taste. You know, they're feeling shy. It doesn't matter.
That generation, when we first, the settlement used to start, the facility very poor, really passing through difficult life.
I don't know how well many people would fare if they lost everything. And not just lost, I mean, it was stolen.